The question says the characteristics of elements X, Y and Z with atomic numbers respectively 33, 53 and 83 are. So we have the atomic number of element. From that we can find out what element is that, and from that we can say if it is a metalloid, non-metal or metal. So for 33 we have the metal arsenic over here, which is a metalloid. Then moving on we have X as a metalloid. Moving on we have Y, which is with atomic number 53. Therefore Y is our iodine. Iodine is a non-metal, so therefore Y is a non-metal. Moving on we have atomic number 83. Therefore metal Z is bismuth, which is a metal. Therefore Z is a metal, Y is a non-metal and X is a metalloid. So therefore option D is the correct option, that is X is a metalloid, Y is a non-metal and Z is a metal.